Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add audio files or music in your WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website and let me add audio files in my website. So first of all we need to log in into our website, and after that now we can go to our page, and then we need to enable Divi Visual Builder. So it works like Elementor page builder, and here you can see page builder is loading. After that now let's select build from scratch. Now here we can add a row, then here you can see number of columns that we can add. So whatever you want to add, that is up to you. And after that let me select 2 columns. Then here you can see these are various modules, just you can search by name. If you want to use audio module, just you can type here audio, and also you can click here. Now here you can see these are the options. So now let's upload the audio file. Click here, and after that let me upload a file from a laptop. Then click here upload. Here you can see file is uploaded, and after that if you want to add image, click here and upload the image. Go to files, then select the image that you want to upload. Okay, that's great. And after that here you can see title, artist name. Now scroll up, and here you can change the text. You can type the title, then artist name, as well as album details. And after that you can link the module with any other page, and here you can find the background. You can change the background color that you like. And after that go to design tab, then here you can customize the image. For example, if you round the image corners, just you can increase the value. Here you can see now image corners are moving round. And after that now scroll down, you can add the image border as like this, and let me remove the border. Also you can change the text color, as well as title text, caption text, and also you can use sizing options and spacing options. You can also use box shadow, as well as you can apply animations to your audio files. Then after that click here 3 dots, then save. Now let's reload the page, and here you can see audio file is added. So if you want to add iframe in your WordPress website, for example you want to add music from the other platforms like Spotify, so I have just uploaded another video for that. Thank you for watching.